how's it going? Let's take a look at our Blizzard Bag Problem number 3. Hold on, bud. Hold on. Whoa, hey, pause for a second. You pause for a second. Yeah, I think that goes to something else. I'm not sure what, though. All right.
Always a year with you.
Okay. All right. So, here we go with problem number 3. Middleton Middle School offered 3 lunch options on Monday: a chicken sandwich, a salad bar, or a PB&J. When students came through the lunch line, 4 students took a PB&J for every 3 students who had a salad bar. For every 2 who chose the salad bar, 1 student got a chicken sandwich. The cafeteria served 48 PB&Js. How many students had school lunch that day? Okay, so let's make a little, let's make a little list here. I've got P, B, and J. We've got salad bar, and we have chicken sandwich. All right, and okay. And it's 4 to 3, and we've got 2 to 1. Okay, so let's take a look here. So we got, for every 4 that choose PB&J, 3 choose salad. For every 2 that choose salad, then 1 of them gets a chicken sandwich. So if it were like 4 to 2 and 2 to 1, that'd be simple. We've got this 3 in the middle here. So you think there'd be a way, right, that I could scale this up, right? So instead of 4 to 3, scale it up so that I have an even number of people picking salad, right? Yeah, that'd actually be pretty easy. So anyways, and then once I have an even number, I know that for every 2 of those, 1 person picks chicken, and then I would know, I could easily figure out, like, all together, you know, how many people did PB&J, which we know, because we were told that, which means that how many, we gave a certain number of people that did salad bar, we could figure that out, because for every 4 of these, there's 3 of these. And then once we know how many people had the salad bar, or for every 2 of those people, 1 chose chicken sandwich, so we could figure out chicken sandwich, and we just have to add them all up to figure out, in the end, how many people total were at lunch. I think that's doable. I think that's doable. All right. Good luck.